Discover a secondary school experience like no other. Here, we learn by doing, where students do real-world learning and are future-ready.
If I could describe Green Valley in 3 words, would be inclusive,
creative,
community,
diverse,
eco,
enhancing,
open,
welcoming,
friendly,
happiness,
accepting.
Hi guys, it's Alex from the Tiger, and we're here at one of Thailand's premier learning institutions,
St. Andrew's Green Valley Rayong.
These guys are known for combining eco-literacy with traditional academics and a holistic approach to education. Today, we're going to talk with some of the students, some of the teachers, and experience a day in the life here and figure out why it's such a fun and interesting place to learn. Let's check it out.
My name is Kevin McGee and I'm the head of the secondary school and the deputy head of the school. And I've been in St. Andrew's Green Valley for 15 years. We teach our students about eco-literacy because we really want them to be at the forefront of developing sustainable education in the future. We believe very much in personalised learning and trying to vary our education to the strengths of all of the students. We really work on and value holistic education, and we get our students involved in the music, sport, drama, in all aspects of the school. Even if it's not their strength, we like them to experience everything, and we think that's very important. We have small class sizes, so our teachers work closely with those students to reach their targets and their different goals. We try to work very closely with our parents too, so that we have like a triangle with all of us working together and moving towards that goal. And the students are often able to achieve or exceed their targets.
Their unique green education program blends international academic standards with a love for the natural world.
I've taught here for now 17 years and this is science class, and what we're really looking at today is we're doing a unit on ecology and we're trying to see the effect of things on an ecosystem. And so we're looking at the lake today to see, is the lake healthy? What are the nutrient levels, so we can work out whether it's actually close to a thing called eutrophication, and then what we would need to do if we wanted to improve the lake as part of a cleanup campaign. We want to have a balance between the academic side and the sport cultural, and now very much the ecology, the environment.
Our students don't just learn about sustainability, they take action. Real-world challenges, innovative student solutions. Welcome to eco-literacy.
Okay, so what we've got here is we have some orchids displayed around the school, and the orchids look beautiful, but after a few months they start to get a little bit old and start to lose the leaves. So what we do here is that it's our groups of students here, they came up with a pitch to actually rejuvenate these orchids, and then what they're doing here is taking them into the shade, they're restoring them, okay, they're watering them, they'll start to flower again, and then we'll get them out for display.
Making the compost is to grow the plants, because if we make our own soil we don't have to buy it, and it creates carbon sinks. We've been collecting bottle caps to create bottle cap medals. This is so that less plastic is in the landfills and it's better for the environment.
At St. Andrew's Green Valley, learning goes beyond the classroom. Their students thrive in a dynamic extracurricular program that nurtures talent, teamwork, and creativity. From competitive football matches and swim meets to captivating music and art performances, every passion finds a place there. With clubs like robotics, debate, and community service, students develop skills that shape their future while making a difference.
I've been at Green Valley since year 5, so 6 years. Our teachers are the ones that have prepared us the most about the IGCSE, the exam, strategies on how to help us, and they just want the best from us and the best possible results.
Our university guidance is amazing. We have a counselor who helps us with whatever we need in terms of reviewing our essays or researching for universities.
I'm part of the athletics team in this school. Our school provides trainings after school in which we can participate in. Overall, I'd say our school is just progressing in a sporting standard.
The teachers are like with the students, like there's a small class, so like the teachers really focus on you and what they can do for your future, which I really think helps.
That's what makes us such a tight community. I mean, I know everyone here and I feel like I'm close with everyone, and it's so beautiful, and I've managed to make such great friendships over the years that I hope I'll cherish forever and I'll keep forever.
We've also got drama, a lot of productions go on with that, and we've got music as well, and it's just very expressive and it allows you to be yourself, and I really quite like it here.
Drama helped me a lot with confidence, and also because I really enjoy performing, but also just in general for any job, it's useful to know how to speak up.
Now let's hear from the secondary parents.
I have 2 children at St. Andrews, Green Valley. Both of them are now in their secondary years. We have actually been part of this community for about 8 years. I think besides academic excellence, what I realize about the school is that they focus a lot about developing the character and helping to impart soft skills to children that are vital for success in an ever-changing digital world. What I notice about the school is access to a wide spectrum of sports, from trainings to tournaments. This is exactly something that we like because it helps to develop their character and confidence. The school has a very beautiful environment and it's really away from the grind of city life. So yeah, I find St. Andrews, Green Valley a very conducive environment for learning, and that's why we choose to have our 2 children to be in the school.
I've got 2 children here, 16 and 18. And they've been here since 2000. The thing which drew us straight here is when we came in, but as soon as we walked in the doors here, we met with Mr. McGee, who was the head of senior at the time, and he basically just told us, look, you can start tomorrow if you want to.
Join us at St. Andrews Green Valley, where every student's potential is nurtured and futures are bright.
The motto here at St. Andrews Green Valley Rayong is be adventurous, be brilliant, and be happy. And as you can see, they are living and breathing that mantra here every single day. If you're interested in joining this amazing community and being a part of one of Thailand's finest educational institutions, visit the website you see on the screen here today.